So, do you want to turn Oreos into an even more delicious snack?
Yes!
Well, say no more. Let's make yummy Oreo Blondies!
Yes!
Let's do it! So stay tuned and let's get started!
Let's have a look at the ingredients for these yummy Oreo Blondies. You will need 240 grams of salted butter, 350 grams of soft light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 eggs, 275 grams of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 100 grams of white chocolate chips, 1.5 to 2 packets of Oreo cookies, and some baking paper. These Oreo Blondies are incredible bits of crisp Oreo encased in a soft vanilla dough. Yummy! So let's get started. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now melt the butter in the microwave and allow it to cool until slightly lukewarm. Step 2. Add the butter with the soft brown sugar to a bowl and mix through. Now add in the eggs and vanilla extract and beat together. Step 3. Add the flour and baking powder and mix together until smooth. Now add 180 grams of the Oreos and all of the white chocolate chips and fold it all together. Did you know Blondies were invented in 1896? That's a long time ago. Step 4. Spoon the mixture into a lined baking tray and top with the remaining Oreos. Bake for about 24 to 26 minutes until firm at the edges and a little under in the center. It will continue to set as it cools. Step 5. Allow to cool in the tin for about 10 minutes. Now carefully turn it out onto a wire rack to cool completely. Remember to peel off the baking paper. Finally, step 6. Once they are completely cooled off, slice the Blondies into about 20 or 24 squares. Wow! Now these Blondies smell amazing!
Wow! These Oreo Blondies are fantastic! What do you think?
It's so yummy! Yummy in my tummy!
Yummy in my tummy! Well, there you have it. So if you are an Oreo lover, give this recipe a try.